You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
And if you ever saw it, you would even say because
All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names.
then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, if you're not so bright, won't you come my sleigh tonight?
Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the